Ni mwihoko wakwa no thiete na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo TV ni mohoro ma thaa mugwanja na njira ndaya toria tukuhaririirie ndire wika no indi turi na memereke na njira ya ciiko etagwo Lorena Wambui jetagwo Francis Wairura na karibu tutwarithane nawe ikinya gwa ikinya o ginyagia mahinda ma gutiriha kuona maita maingi mitino ya farafara ikoretwo ikihanika kurira kuri gicogereria ikuo o ndume na hadhara nene riu matereba ni mathiete na mbere na gukorwo mathomithitio kuria moritio makorwo mari muharine wa mbere hari gukorwo magitia mawatho ma ukui kuringana na ruhonge rwa NTSA o ndume na maabitha ruo mathiete na mbere no korwo makiuga ati angikorwo matereba ni megukorwo magitia mawatho ma ukui mitino mingi ndingikoragwo ikihanika.
Na speed around schools yenye inashughulikiwa. Sababu ni gani? Unapata shule zingine zimekuwa integrated schools. Yani shule imechukua watoto ambao wako na ulemavu wa aina fulani. Tuseme mtoto wako na hearing impairment, mtoto wako na visual impairment, mtoto wako na cerebral palsy. They are not able to walk on their own. They are on wheelchairs. They have been some schools has classes now for them ndio waende wasomee pale.
Ukifika pale tutarison pamoja. Mnasikia? Tujue shida imetokea wapi. Na tutakuwa tunafanya hata na hao wakubwa wenu wa sako. Sitaki kusikia ati unaambiwa peleka gari mahali unasema mimi siwezi endesha hiyo gari ama unaweka gari kwa barabara unawacha kwa sababu tukifuruta hiyo gari na breakdown tumepewa hiyo uwezo.
Na hii mambo ya instant fine mimi ningetaka kusema hiyo ni kitu mzuri serikali imefanya na ndio tuache kuwesta lot of time tukiendelea kufanya ati unaenda kotini kila siku na mambo hiyo ingine. Kwa hivyo tungetaka mimi ningesupport hiyo instant fine isipokuwa kuna dosari imepatikana kwa hiyo kitu na koti na najua koti itaenda ikizuruhisha hiyo mambo na serikali itaenda ikiweka mikakati ile inatakikana.
Kutoka Nairobi kuja hadi Thika kutoka barabara superhighway ijengwe tumekuwa na magari mingi sana ambazo zinatumia service lane na kwa stage tunakuta for example ama kwa mfano ukishaingia pale Kibo, ukishaingia pale bypass ya Kamakis, ukishaingia hapa Juja unakuta kuna msongamano mkubwa sana. Pia pale Githurai pia kumekuwa na hiyo shida.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru riu iri muharine wa mbere hari gutigirira ati muingi wa kaunti iyo ni wathie na mbere na gukorwo wamukirite hinya mutheru wa kuhuthika kwa ihinda riri. Thirikari ino iroiga ati ni yambikite mitaratara iria ibatie kuona ati maita maingi muingi ukoretwo ukihuthira makara o ndumwe na ngo indo iria irathie na mbere na kurwo igithukia maria maturigiceirie.
So one of the benefits of using clean cooking solutions is the fact that it is fuel saving. So given the fact that it's fuel saving, then that one reduces the damage that we cause to the environment in terms of harvesting firewood and also charcoal. So there will be increased forest cover and also that will contribute to climate change mitigation. The other aspect is that when we use traditional methods of cooking, there's a lot of emissions which leads to indoor air pollution. So this indoor air pollution causes respiratory related illnesses and also affects the eye. And this has also been contributing to deaths in Kenya and also globally. So by adopting clean cooking solutions, we expect that respiratory illnesses will reduce and also deaths which are related to indoor air pollution will also reduce.
Nationally, this project is going to feed into the larger requirement by the national government on transition to clean cooking and clean access of energy and access to renewable energy and what we call the integrated national energy planning. And nationally, we have very low levels of transition. We are hoping through the INEP framework, that's integrated national energy planning, by 2028 we'll have a huge percentage of Kenyans that have transitions towards clean energy solutions, not only cooking but also access to clean energy solutions for other matters. And in Kenya, for this particular project, we are doing in 3 counties: Meru County, Kakamega County, and Taita Taveta.
The results have been very disappointing, because if we do not transit to other models of cooking, the chances are that we are going to deplete our forests and turn this green county into a desert, which can be very unfortunate, because we cannot reverse that road. We are now trying to see how people can transit from biomass to biogas.
Together our objective is to see that we are transitioning, tunasongesha watu waache kupika na mawe tatu, waweze kumove to cleaner cooking solution, kama kutumia gas, kutumia biogas, kutumia electricity for cooking, na pia kutumia improved cooking solution. As a county, I think we are still at 86%, tunatumia 3 stone.
Sasa ndio maana nilikuwa nashukuru hawa partners ambao tuko nao, kuanzia British High Commission, SNV, GAMOS, East Africa Clean Cooking Association of Kenya, na wale partners wote ambao wamekuja kusaidia hizi counties zetu kufanya hizi plans na policies, kwa sababu bila hizi legal frameworks na hizi policies inafunga milango mingi.
Na tuli kaunti-ini ya Meru ni ati makire ikundi 65 ciatwarithia a bodaboda mwena wa imenti ya muhuro ni ithiete na mbere na gukorwo igunikite na uteithio kuma kuri mubunge wao na niwe Ndagitari Shadrack Mwiti. Oho ikundi ici ni ciamukirite kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 4 kiria giguteithiriria hari uhoro wigie kwambiriria sacco.
Wanaume wanaungana kwa ngari, wanaume kama 5. Wakifika hapa Ngobo, wanakuja wanasema watu ya Ngobo, mnajua Kasongo ni mwizi. Mnajua Kasongo na ameharibu. Mnajua Kasongo, yani wanaume 5, hakuna kitu kingine ya kusema, ni Kasongo peke yake. Malalamishi bila matumaini. Kelele bila haja. Tumieni dakika 10 kutukana na William Samoei Ruto. Lakini tumieni dakika 20 kuelezea wa Meru na sana Imenti South mtawafanyia nini.
Rigathi Gachagua will not be a presidential candidate anywhere. Not coming election, not in the future. Maneno yake iliishia bunge and it's a bygone.
Na mimi nataka kuambia nyinyi, nilichaguliwa na chama ya Jubilee. Lakini nilipoenda huko parliament, nilishikana na ile serikali ilishinda ya Dr. William Samoei Ruto na Professor Kindiki. Wapigieni makofi. Zile maendeleo ambaye nimefanya si kivyangu, ni hiyo serikali ambayo imekaa miaka 3, na mimi nataka kuambia ikiisha miaka 5 mutaona changes hapa South Imenti na vile Kenya mzima. Na kama maendeleo tumeona South Imenti kwa miaka 3, na mkipatia His Excellency the President miaka ingine, tamu ingine, vile mpatie mheshimiwa wenu Dr. Mweti tamu ingine, si mtaona maendeleo. Mimi leo niko hapa tusaidie nyinyi watu wa boda kwa kupata pesa na kuendelea.
Kwa marais wote ni Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, kwa sababu yeye kwa history ndiye amepatia Wameru kiti ya naibu wa rais. Mpigieni makofi. Na sisi tukiwa Wameru hatuwezi kuwa wajinga ati tuambiwa kwa sababu sikukuu iko karibu tuangalie ile ng'ombe iko na ndama ati tuchinje hiyo ng'ombe.
Vijana hawa bodaboda tuna empower ni watu ambao wanajifanyia kazi na ni watu wa bidii, na kila mmoja wao ako na account. Na nataka mgeni wetu wa heshima Bwana Kionjori, hawa ni watu tuna empower tu, lakini wanafanya kazi kwa bidii.
Matusi miaka 4 mpaka saa hizi tumekuwa tukingoja hao watu watuambie ni kipi hicho wanataka kufanyia taifa letu ili sisi tuwafuate.
Na riu tucioke nginyagia kuria mwena wa Ramula. Muingi wa matura ma Ramula game mwena wa Yala ni mathiete na mbere na gutanywo makoro makigunika na waki wa nyumba iria megukoromagia kuro ni kambuni imwe ya wenji wa mahiga magoro kurerikana ati makiria ma family 1286 nio matanyitwo gukorwo makigunika kumana na nyumba icio guo kambuni ino guo na iria ithiete na mbere no kuro ihetwo marua ni thirikari magukorwo ikienja mahiga kurerikana ati ikoretwo igifuatirira ikorwo igitikirio na riu kwa ihinda riri ni gukorwo ikienja mahiga macio magoro.
Yeah, we are having a familiarization tour today with the members of the County Security Committee as well as the sub-county security committees with a team from Shanta Gold as well as media here for us to get to know.
It will be on a case-by-case basis, and so I want to urge our people that there will be a very meticulous and very detailed way of coming up with what will eventually make the final package.
Has lived in Ramula for the last 78 years. Now, surprisingly, the Shanta company who has got the license to come and do the mining in Ramula, and I suspect I'm among the people affected persons with the mining. I joined this team to go and see the type of houses they want to go and put me into. I've seen the houses, but to me, those houses are far below my position because I've settled, and I think I've settled properly. If I see what I went to see today, I have to go and make up my minds and ask what is Shanta going to do.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti iyo kuma Ramla tukomba gwikiriro hanini ni turacokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email ito niyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Thimo 18 kamuhariga 10 ritwa ria Jehova ni nyumba ya hinya njake muthiringo niyo mundu muthingu ahanyukagira agatonya akarema gukinyirika.
Nĩ wĩharĩrie kuoya ikinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathĩnĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo umemerekia, hospitality management nĩguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy megemainie na ũthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Tũrĩ na thiomi cia na nja nĩcio Korea o hamwe na German. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya 6 kũrigania na TRM. No tuhũrĩre thimba 0717 30007 niyo 0701 300 071 kana no tucerere rũrenda-inĩ
ni rwitonirwo college.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Hena we uria wari we wikaire tukaria kari very ambitious no cio nowe mutumira twenda gucokia tumwire atiriri wende no cokererie kwimenya ku twaririo horo waku umenye value yaku umenye wendaga gutuika ki ucokerere uria we wari.
Divorce re ni kindu it is there, it is real, it is something real. No hindira andu matigana ri ni ukoraga ati kwina ungi wakwena nginya tangiruga nginya mutwe tondu wakiugo tu gutigana.
Ciana no kinya cikamap nondu mubango mwega wa kumenya baba wawe guikara atia. Likewise mutumia riria atigwo ni muthuri ni reke njuge mutumia wa ndigwa ni ahota guikara maundu-ini na raini-ini njega gukira muthuri.
Muthuri uyu ni arariha nyumba, muthuri uyu ni ararihira ciana school fees, tondu those are the basic need. Nduri handu ngiurira kuriha nyumba, nduri handu ngiurira kurihira ciana school fees na irio. Koguo twamba kuga twambe tuiganire kugura irio, rent na school fees. Maya mangiri tiga kuhanyukia muthuri.
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka. Mwambiririo kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini. Thimo 22 kamuhari ga gatandatu onia mwana njira iria njega na ona akurari ndari hingo akamitirika. Gukura kwa mwana gukuruhanagia maundu maingi ari ni hamwe na mathako ma kuhingura mundu mwiciririe ona muikarire. Kiheo kianatuma andu marianire na thamaki na andu marigweta thiini wa thi. Hihi ni uĩ atĩ ciana nĩ irĩ ũhoti mũnene wa gwĩka maũndũ na ũngĩciria atĩ nĩ ũĩ kwĩinia rĩ, tagerania na ciana ici. Maya mothe no umonire tabarĩra-inĩ ĩrĩa ngũthi gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Afrika canjamũka na ciana. Ũkĩreherwo nĩ Teacher Agatha gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ĩni nĩ kĩgoco kĩmũrutio
nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki.
Nyitanagĩra na niĩ MC John wa Gĩthomo and the band.
Nĩguo ndĩinaga haleluya kĩhindĩra mũthamaki.
Ririkana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku.
Mbeũ ya idiumaga mbeũ ya Ngai idiumaga mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩcindagwo-nĩyo mbeũ ya Ngai ĩtũũragio no Ngai.
Na ningĩ no tũrũmĩrĩre nenda-inĩ citũ Kĩheo TV na yakwa kĩũmbe John wa Gĩthomo Official.
Nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki ũrĩa ũnyenda mũno.
Naam, karibu ni twacokereria mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo magĩthingatwo metĩkĩre gũkorwo makĩiyũkia mawĩra ma nenda-inĩ, na torĩa mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro Agatha Wairimũ aratarĩria wonjorithia ũthiĩte na mbere na kuongerereka na njĩra nene, na makĩrwo hena bata wa gũkorwo no makĩyumĩria na gũkorwo makĩhĩmbĩria mawĩra maya.
Gĩcunjĩ-inĩ gĩa kerĩ kĩgiĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ kũgunĩka na tabarĩra cia thirikari cia mawĩra ma nenda nĩ wandĩki wa mabuku ma ũthathaũri wa taranda hamwe na indo ingĩ na njĩra ya kwandĩka e-book. Felix Duati ũrĩa nĩ mwandĩki wa mabuku macio ma e-book thukuru-inĩ wa Generic nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa akoretwo akĩandĩka mabuku macio na thutha ũcio kũmendia nenda-inĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũmũhotithĩtie kwĩmathĩra ũboco wake.
Kutengeneza kitabu iko na advantage poa sana. You can create a book and when you sell it inakulisha for the rest of your lives. Unaona? So kama ukitengeneza kitabu on how to crochet, hiyo ni skill umeportray huko nje kwa the youths, kwa wasichana wenye wanapenda ku crochet. So ukitafuta a group of people wenye wasome hiyo skill, hao ndo watakusaidia kuuza kitabu yako. Na utakuwa una earn na ulitengeneza only one book na itagenerate itakuletea do mingi sana. Unaona?
Felix augĩte wandĩki wa mabuku ma e-book ũkĩte arĩ ta njĩra ya kũhũthia wĩra kũrĩ ũrĩa ũngĩenda kũmenya maingĩ megiĩ maini na taranda na njĩra ya gũthoma mabuku macio ũkĩhũthĩra mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu.
Niche ni kama a topic. Ukikama up na topic ya tuseme kutengeneza nywele ama crocheting, acha nitumie example ya crocheting. Hiyo ni skill uko nayo kwa mkono, unaona? So ukiapply in a writing form, uandike details zako how to tutorials za kutengeneza crocheting step by step, then you translate into an ebook, then you sell it. Umetoka kwa block haraka sana juu kuna watu wengi huku nje wanataka kujua crocheting, wanataka kushuka, wanataka kupika, like they want to do skills ni mingi. So hizo skills ndo unazi-identify. Ukizi-identify unaziandika into an ebook where you post through online, through the platform kama Amazon. Amazon is a big platform where pesa huko inamwagika. Market ya Amazon in a day unaweza pata ni 1 trillion.
Nake Justin Njuguna ũrĩa ũhĩgĩrĩire mwena-inĩ wa online script writing makĩria mĩthako-inĩ ya thinema nĩ aratũtarĩria na njĩra ya gũtwĩra wandĩki nĩkĩ na ũkoragwo ũgĩtwarithio na njĩra ĩrĩkũ. Justin agĩtarĩria ũrĩa akoragwo agĩka ũthuthuria harĩ wandĩki wa mĩthako ya thinema, akiuga ũrĩa wandĩki wa mĩthako ĩyo ũkoretwo ũrĩ ũguni mũnene mũtũrĩre-inĩ wake.
Basically unaandika script ya video, so from the beginning to the end. It starts with an intro, it goes to the body, then finishes with the outro. Yes. That is why we should learn how to shift into AI. That's why a person like me have shifted from script writing to YouTube automation. Yeah. So I'm combining all of them and getting the final product. Yeah.
Mothe kenda mbeũ njĩthĩ acio thukuru-inĩ wa Generic rungu rwa tabarĩra ya kazi mtandaoni nĩ morĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kũhũthĩra nenda na njĩra ya kũmaguna na kwaga gweterera mawĩra ma ofici. O makĩũria thirikari kwagĩrithia mathomo ma nenda nĩguo mbeũ njĩthĩ aingĩ makorwo makĩgunĩka makĩria.
Vijana tutokeni hapa Generic School of Elites tupate skills, tupate money skills, tusishinde kwa TikTok sana, tusishinde gaming. Na tusikue employees, tuachane na 9 to 5 jobs, tukuje tukue our own employers, tutafute two skills.
So the government should help people. They should identify such companies that are scamming people of their hard-earned money. You know, times are tough for many people, so the government needs to step up and shape up. They need to enforce the laws, the armor brokers tusipate watu wanaosha watu, and also the government needs to sensitize the youth, the people in itself on financial markets. You know, they need to teach their people how to be forex traders, kwa sababu as I said, if you are a forex trader, if you have the skill and the knowledge, you are going to make it. And hii mambo ya the taxation haitakuwa an issue because people have money. You see, so as for my phone number, you can find me at +254 112 399 281.
Gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkundi kĩmwe kĩa mbeũ njĩthĩ kĩrĩa kĩingĩranĩte na tabarĩra cia thirikari kazi mtandaoni. Ngĩribotera mohoro ma Kĩheo TV ndĩgĩthũrai kĩa 45 kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, Ngetĩka Agatha Wairimu.
Nĩ ngatho Agatha nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ya mĩeke ya mawĩra, na riboti ĩyo nĩ yakorwo ĩgĩtwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo ka mohoro marĩa tuma namo ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ, na hatirĩ ũndũ ũngĩ tũgakwendithĩria wikendi ĩna umithio. Ndiuma wika tuma na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko ĩtagwo Lauren Wambui, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Wairũra.